Hello YouTube. Happy New Year's. Anyways, so it is what time? It is 11:05 and I'm getting ready to actually head to my mom's house. On New Year's we do a soup. It's a tradition. It's called soup Joumoun, which is a pumpkin soup, and I don't know how to make it, so she is actually going to be making my pot so I can bring home. So right now I'm heading over there and I will show you guys how to actually make it. Hopefully she haven't reached home yet to start, but some of the stuff is already pre-cooked, but I'll show you how it looks, and you guys might be familiar, you might see it around, although you probably never had it, you might seen it around. So I'll catch up with you guys as I get to my mom.
I usually rank it when I'm leaving.
I know, it's so cute.
All right, so the soup is cooking.
It's so cute.
Am I on the right? Yep. So you got your vegetables. This is.
Why did he put it that angle?
This is yam, and potatoes. Everything is already pre-cooked. So. What's this? You got your pumpkin. That's here, pre-cooked.
Yep. Can you put it?
What's here?
Why do you do that?
Oh, look at the meat.
We do that.
You got the meat back here, pre-cooked.
I'm going to church. That's my turn right now.
That's your church?
This is my pot right here. Okay, this is my pot of meat. I came from my house with it.
Yeah, I should.
Hey. So, what happened to your glasses?
Hey, bro, because rich man hit me and broke my glass. I didn't hit you, I pushed you.
He hit you?
Okay, it was your fault. You could just tape it.
There's no lights.
Tape it. That's why I need that glue. Go find that glue. The Gorilla Glue? Yes.
You gonna Gorilla Glue your glasses?
Yep. It's that little thing. I could just stick it in there. It won't stay. And that thing cost me $150 for the frame.
Okay, it's not expensive.
That's like the third time. That's $300.
Okay.
No, $400. Because every time it broke, I have to buy the frame. And Walmart doesn't sell that frame.
Right. What is your New Year resolution?
To actually accomplish something in life and not be a disappointment.
Oh, that was a good one, Ashley. What about you, Christy?
I was going to say to breathe.
What about you, Christy? What's your New Year resolution?
I don't know. To breathe.
To breathe? Graduate high school? What about you, Gabby?
Get in a good college.
Ooh, okay. Getting to college is not hard. Community college is always open.
Why?
Huh? Hmm? Oh yeah, we want that too. We want dumpling. We're going Disney Saturday, right? You have to like this, you know. Alright, so it is officially 2020 and I'm just waiting for the soup to be done. There's a lot of fireworks going outside and we didn't really have to buy any because they're like right around the neighborhood. Everybody's doing fireworks, so we're just, here and there outside. So just waiting for that soup to be done. Alright, so in here you have the celeries, carrots all chopped up, and you have your leeks. Last time, I did not remember what it's called, but all that is in here.
I don't even know that.
You don't know what those called?
I think on my country I call it lazoy.
Okay.
What?
This is watercress. You have thyme. Don't know what that called.
I think it's I can't be that. Walking play yourself?
that build up. You know, Nell, when you put it, it's like that.
Like you cut yourself?
I'm gonna buy the new head this time. Okay, fresh. I don't know if I could find it.
All right, so this is the pumpkin. This is how it look after it has been pureed. It's 3 pots. My mom's a vegetarian, so she don't eat meat, so hers don't have meat. So it's usually 3 pots, well, 2 pots, and I have mine, which make 3.
All the water going together, I like that.
Okay, what else? So you add dumplings.
And this gonna overcook too.
Okay, so what do you put next?
Even this gonna cook over. And now we have some.
It's already 122.
Still ready? This gonna cook. It's not sweet. Do you think I have to put the carrot now?
Yeah.
It's not gonna too soft.
No.
You gotta put the head on the plate.
He's putting my hair. You're heavy.
No, you don't take him over there. So that one, I guess I gotta put it last.
You putting the carrots next?
You say put it now, but they gotta.
The carrots? No, they're not gonna soft. I had some carrots too.
I don't put oil in it. Sheila!
See?
I don't know.
Would you add 1 Maggi to yours? You add 1 Maggi to each?
I have a bone for soup. Because that's not only for me, so.
That's a lot of soup.
To control this you can use it.
Leave it. Leave it.
So the new is on my house?
Yep. You can't open it?
Maybe. I don't know. I don't understand.
She's off tomorrow. She might not see this. She might be watching TV.
It's like I spent 400 on glasses though.
I need to go last.
What do you want? The cabbage? because I'm taking a pot home.
You selfish.
Like
I think somebody don't even say thank you to the bush. That's the one you gotta make yourself. Even I take some water.
it still has.
Yeah, but I don't put meat yet.
Well, it's just gonna overfill
Ew, it stinks.
the brush.
Yeah.
Let me smell it. They don't have that new smell. Ugh. It's probably the bristles on the brush.
Yeah, still I can put that much either.
I'm curious to see how much raisins you're gonna get. You add noodles into
Trust me.
it.
And then I need one more thing, and I'm done.
What?
Actually, maybe two more things. It's like a finger brush thing. It helps me clean the wing.
It was a finger brush.
It's like a brush you put on your finger, and then like. I'm sure people don't
And that thing
Can't relate.
is soft. Even
Okay, thank you. Just for that, in case we don't know.
yeah.
What's gonna soft? Yeah, what do you add last? The cabbage, right? All the other stuff is already cooked.
Yeah. Yes, enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's enough.
Down don't look like have.
Hmm?
Down don't look like it have.
I have what, macaroni?
Oh, that's
Starting to splash.
yeah. This is a request. I don't know about that.
What?
Maybe tomorrow, when it get harder, I'll get it added because it's already done. They have seasoned everything. That's why I want to keep it. Now the last taste for me. So you want boobs?
Huh? I had bones too. It's just not as big as that. It has a lot of meat. Yeah, more.
I think about you every night and then. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. Walk through. I think it's walk
I see you walking to that open door.
I see.
Ooh, the soup is looking good. It has all the ingredients, including cabbage. This is a vegetarian soup, and those have meat. Got my bowl of soup. Huh?
When you drive it,
Yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna drive with
you
it.
gotta put the plastic underneath.
All right, let me taste
They finish
this.
all of the stuff.
Need somewhere to put this.
You know if I could wash this thing?
Your soup is leaking.
My sink.
Leaking oil. Alright. Got my soup here.
But how do you gonna do it? I think you do it
It's good.
this thing is doing I don't know when, but
My macaroni. carrots. Hot. See, the carrot's not even overcooked. You thought I was gonna overcook. No, it's perfect. Ooh, hot. Strain of noodles.
But the noodles gotta stay for tomorrow.
Huh?
It's gonna soft.
Yeah. Celery. Ooh. It's like hot. Beef. Hmm? Where?
No, see here it's 3. I gotta go to the shop sleep. Yeah, dishes.
Uh-oh. Cabbage.
I don't even clean the house, nothing. Oh my God.
Mm-hmm. It's not hot, but it's good. So every year for New Year's, we have pumpkin soon as a tradition. It's like 2:43 at night right now. Ashley actually fell asleep. She was waiting for the soup. Yeah. Very good.
Man, Maddie, she had 2 weeks.
All right.
That's
Bye
gonna be
guys.
the-
Happy New Year's.